Welcome to hashtag A.I. If you're new here, let me tell you a little story, my story, the one behind every beat, every render, every tutorial, every song, every frame you see on this channel. I've been in the graphic arts game since before the world went digital. Back when large-scale printers started replacing hand-painted billboards, I was there, airbrushing, designing, creating, learning how to adapt while the whole industry shifted under my feet. I've been using Blender for over a decade, long before it was cool, long before AI tools existed, long before people realized you could build entire worlds from a laptop in your bedroom. And now it's 2026. And my workflow looks nothing like it did back then. Today, my creative pipeline includes Google Flow Music, formerly known as Refusion, formerly Producer AI, the tool that helped me create my song I Found My Way, also known on the streets as Bad Bobby Be Jumpin'. Yeah. That's my other Nightrhino track. My arrangement. My Nightrhino Sound. My fingerprints on every beat. Because around here, I do it all myself. The edits, the visuals, the timing, the music, the story, the tutorials, the workflow breakdowns. This is a one-man operation, powered by experience, powered by creativity, and powered by the creators' tools of 2026. I use Google Trends for topical research. I use AI tools to speed up the parts that used to take days. I use Blender as the backbone of every visual you see, the timing, the lighting, the animation, the sequencing, the polish. And I use Google Flow Music to turn ideas into songs, songs into stories, and stories into these full creative experiences. But let me be clear. I didn't start here. I didn't wake up one day with a workflow, a channel, a niche, or a name. I built this. Piece by piece. Year by year. Skill by skill. I've been in the music industry since the late 80s, airbrushing album covers, designing shirts, creating visuals before content creator was even a phrase. Times changed. So I changed with them. TikToks, Facebook, and streaming platforms like Amazon and Netflix were all new platforms to me. This is why I created hashtag A.I. This journey is an evolution. A creative identity that Gemini often misspells all the time, but the viewers never forget the experience once they see it. The first impression. The scroll-stopping thumbnails. The key. I am the author, the editor, the animator, the musician, the storyteller, the teacher, the student, the creator behind and in front of everything you see here. And if you want to know how I create all this value, the music, the visuals, the workflows, the timing, the edits, the songs. This is not a step-by-step tutorial, but it was made for you. Because this channel isn't just about watching. It's about learning. It's about building. It's about evolving with the times, just like I did. Welcome to hashtag A.I. Welcome to the journey. Let's create something powerful together. And thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It's free and helps YouTube reach the right viewers. It helps the channel grow and reach other viewers similar to us. And thank you in advance. Hashtag aikel.
Yes. Yes, I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. I found my way. Bobby be jumping. Bad 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 Bobby be jumping. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I found my way. Boom, ba doom, boom, boom, boom. My way. Boom, ba doom, boom, boom, boom. Bad Bobby be jumping. Boom, 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 boom. Bad Bobby be jumping. Bad Bobby be jumping.